Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. The feedback from other buyers has been incredible. People love how it performs, and after using it myself, I totally agree. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described. And honestly, it's better than I expected. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. The feedback from other buyers has